Here we go. Sanju Samson has got the big gloves on. Misses. Right, where's the batsman? Halfway through. Faulkner. What does he do? Misses. Now what does he do? What's the batsman doing? And he's out.
It's 1 for 8. That's a warning, I think. That's Chris Gale's way of warning the batsman with a smile on his face. Gale, we've had dances and warnings, a big smile on his face. We had a man caddying in England this year in county cricket. Murali Kartik, after the warning, ran a batsman out. What is Chris Gale doing?
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style.
How easily was that done by Irfan, just walking over the stumps without any fuss or problem.
Bowling to a similar format, Amir did bowl. Ouch.
Yeah, have a look at this one. No, say they're gonna add. That's well done.
All right, if that's what's going to happen, maybe they should.
Oh, there's a big mix-up. Oh, and look, this is unbelievable. I think that might be, was there interference down that end?
In the line of the ball, or you can measure it up, and Trott does that very well. So the ball goes back, so there's the first thing that goes wrong. Then there's a push and a shove. Now he's running to try and get in between the ball and the stumps.
Wonderful shot to reply. Looking at the ball, I'm not sure. Oh, goodness me. He's still looking to run. The ball hasn't gone to the right. Good God, I've never seen that before. I have never ever seen that before in any form of a game.
Well, the only thing I can say, and having seen that, is the frustration of being dropped of the previous ball. He's taking that frustration out, and he wants to...
He thinks the ball has gone to the rope, so he thinks he's got force, so he's not interested in running. And then he lets it go. Spare a thought for Nathan Astor. He's thinking, what the hell's going on here? The ball just makes it to the rope, and Rich is...
Now that's the funniest thing I've seen for a long time. Now, how many of you picked this up? Watch this. Andrew Strauss picks up the ball. As he goes to throw it, he knocks his sunglasses in the air. Here we go, have another look at it. Look at this. Magnificent.
Dilshan was pretty sure that he nicked this time. But it didn't look like that he hit the thigh pad this time. It was pretty sure that he got the under edge this time, but denied it once again by Simon Toffel. Oops, oops. Well, he's rubbing his head. He threw the ball up in the air and came down straight onto his head.
So much happened at that moment when the last delivery. Dilshan caught it, threw it up. There, watches for the ball. It will come and land him on it. Right on the middle of his head.
Just a single it should be. 72 they put on. Rohit Sharma and Dwayne Smith.
Oh, there's a run out. Surely, what is happening here? He needs to pull the stump out. This is a comedy of errors. Record this, guys, if you're at home when the replay comes along, and play it 100 times and you won't stop laughing. Right now, there's going to be an overthrow. That's fielding lapse number 1. There it is. Now, Suwan says no. And there he is. He misses it once. Now he's already broken the stump. So the fielder coming in has now got to pull the stump out, and it goes between his legs.
He's doing a move.
He's with him.
They all start a good move down at the MCG. And there's a few of them can do with a bit of exercise too. Work with the people down there. That's it.
I think that's good news. I think that's good. I think he's done all right with that. I think Naz Hussain can see, and he'll know him well enough. Essex men together. They can enjoy this moment. They know the game is gone. Now he's working them harder.